Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your LG model and having the remote or ThinQ app in hand. This matters because menu names vary by OS. Once ready, press Settings and go straight to Picture. You do this now so you can change active controls instead of guessing. Make sure any external source is playing so changes apply. Once the picture menu is open, locate aspect ratio or screen size entries. Those are the controls you will use in the next steps. You now pick aspect ratio. Choose 16, 9 for standard HD TV, just scan or full pixel for no overscan, or zoom/cinema when you need to fill the screen. Once selected, use zoom and position controls to nudge edges until no black bars remain and no important content is cropped. Make sure picture mode doesn't force scaling. Some modes override aspect settings. If you have a PC or game console, toggle its resolution. You finish by saving any custom picture presets and then restarting the TV to ensure settings persist across inputs. Once done, test multiple inputs and confirm no menus or UI are clipped. If content is cropped, switch back to just scan or full pixel immediately. This reverses TV overscan. If an external device still crops, check that device's output resolution and scale options and set it to the TV's native resolution. One troubleshooting tip: perform a factory picture, reset if aspect behavior remains in.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.